Germany has the strongest economy in Europe, and there are thousands of job opportunities in the country. Imagine what working in Germany can do for your working resume. If you don't have enough experience though, that's okay. Foreigners like you have the chance to get an internship or training visa in Germany. How? Well, that's easy, by getting a German internship visa. Hi, this is Max from the Visa Library. In this video, I will explain about Germany internship visas, the requirements, eligibility conditions, application process, fees, validity, and so much more. Okay, no time to waste. Subscribe to our channel to support us and watch the video till the end because I have a surprise for you. Well, let's go. What is Germany internship visa? A Germany internship visa allows you to work in the country and get work experience. It is called a Germany training visa as well. There are numerous benefits to this visa. You can practice the language, meet people from various countries, experience an international work atmosphere, build a good resume, and travel to all countries in the Schengen area. Just know this. Although you can travel to other Schengen countries, you may not work or study in them. Be careful. Now, who needs a Germany internship visa? It depends on your nationality and the length of your stay in Germany. If your training duration is less than 3 months, you might not need a visa. Instead, you can get the training by a Germany visitor visa. When the length of your course is longer than 3 months, you need an internship visa. One thing, a few countries are exempt from getting an internship visa. It is true even if the course takes longer than 90 days. Okay, what countries? They're here. Remember that while the non-EU or EAA countries do not need a visa, their citizens have to apply for a residence permit. When they get to Germany, they must register with an immigration office to receive a residence permit. This permit allows them to stay in Germany for the long term. Now, what are the Germany internship visa requirements? Let's see. Number 1. Application form. You can receive this application form from the VIDEX website. Complete it with correct information. Really important. After that, print it twice. Then review the form, date, and sign it. Sign the 2 printed forms, both of them. Number 2, an acceptance or approval letter. Provide an approval letter from the German institution or company that you will be working on. They must approve the conditions of your stay in Germany. Number 3, proof of qualification. Number 4, photos. Provide 2 identical passport-sized photos. They must be for the last 3 months to the date of the application. Number 5, your valid passport. It must not be older than 10 years. Also, provide a copy of the data page of your passport. It must be in A4 paper. If you have an expired passport, provide it as well. Number 6, travel and health insurance. You have to buy health insurance that is valid in Germany and the whole Schengen area and covers your expenses for 30,000 euros. The insurance must cover expenses for hospitalization, emergency treatment, accidents, and repatriation. Number 7, proof of financial independence. Prepare documents like bank statements to prove you have enough money to cover your expenses in Germany. You could also provide a work contract with a German company or a sponsorship letter that includes your sponsor's bank statements, pay slips, and your work contract. Number 8, personal documents like a marriage certificate, a birth certificate of your child, or death certificate of your spouse. Number 9, accommodation proof of the place you will be staying in Germany. It can be a rental contract, an invitation letter from a friend or a relative, or a reserved hotel. Number 10, work permission. You have to hold permission to work from here. Okay? It is a document that permits you to work in Germany legally. The German company you will be working for has to receive it for you. Here's a tip. Provide 2 copies aside from the original form of the documents and keep them. Now, just in case. If you're employed in your country, you'll need an employment contract and pay slips for the past 3 months. But if you're self-employed, you'll need ownership proof, company registration proof, and agriculture income. One question, is there a language proficiency requirement? Let's see. It depends on the German company you want to work for. Some companies require a high level of language proficiency while others don't. Now, here's an important question. How to apply for a German internship visa? Step 1. Check if you need a visa. I talked about this one. You have to consider the period of your course and your nationality. Pretty easy. Step 2. Check if you're eligible. Again, talked about it. Step 3. Get an internship. Having an internship offer is a must. You have to reach an agreement with a German company and sign a contract with them. Then you can apply for a visa. There are exceptions. The EU and EEA nationals do not have to get an internship. They can enter Germany and look for an internship or training program. Good for them. Step 4. Complete the application form. An application form is the first requirement to complete. You can receive it from the VIDEX website. Link is in our article. Complete every part with caution. Oh, I'm begging you. Then print it twice and sign it. Step 5. Gather the requirements. Collect all the requirements. Remember that the authorities might ask you for more documents. It could take a bit long. Sorry. So, start as soon as possible. Step 6. Set a visa appointment. Set an appointment with the German embassy in your country. Also, a visa center might have the authorization to process your application. You never know. Schedule an appointment online or by phone. Set the appointment as early as possible. There might be delays, so do it ASAP. Step 7. Attend the appointment. Go to the embassy or consulate. If you don't want to miss your appointment, I suggest being on time or even early. Do not forget to bring all your supporting documents. During the appointment, you might have to pass an interview. You must answer questions about the purpose of your visit to Germany. Step 8. Pay the fees. Pay the fees for visa application. A German training visa costs you about 75 euros. You will receive a receipt for it. Keep it. Step 9. Wait for the processing. Just wait. When the visa gets processed, German officials will mail it to you. In case authorities reject your application, they will tell you why. Step 10. Get a residence permit. When you go to Germany, you have to register your address to the nearest registration office. Then apply for a German residence permit. Now, let me answer some common questions. Can you extend a Germany internship visa? Yes, you must have a compelling reason to convince German officials. For example, the German company wants you to keep working in their company for a longer time. In this case, you can apply for an extension. Remember, the top validity of the internship visa is 1 year. If the German company wants you after visa expiry, you have to leave and apply for a German work visa. Another question, can you convert an internship visa to a work visa? If the German company wants you, you can go back to your home country and apply for a German work visa. You could also apply for a German job seeker visa. It allows you to enter Germany and look for a job. Another question. Can you bring your family under the Germany internship visa? No. Also, your family cannot come to Germany through a family reunification visa. However, they can apply for another type of German visa and enter the country. Your family could join you through a Germany tourist visa. Another question. How long is a Germany internship visa valid? The longest validity of a Germany internship visa is 1 year. Yet, the German government grants you a visa valid for the duration of your training or internship. If your internship takes 5 months, they grant you a visa valid for the same time. You can check the visa's validity from the visa sticker on your passport. Another question, how long is the Germany internship visa processing time? The processing time for a Germany internship visa varies on different factors. It depends on your country, your case, the German embassy workload, the completion of your documents, and whether the embassy asks for more documents or not. The standard processing time is about 10 to 15 days. It is a good idea to apply as early as you can. Yet, the earliest time you can apply is 3 to 6 months. Well, that was it. Now you can go and apply for an internship visa with ease. About that surprise, since the steps and requirements of this visa were too many, I've made a cheat sheet for you to avoid confusion. Go to our article about this visa on our website and get it. Link in the description. Links for websites and forms are on our article too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so that you can get notified every time we make new content. Thank you all for watching.